My name is Ashir Ahmed and welcome back to Code Crafted. Today we are going to learn about the concept of list comprehension in Python. So the list comprehension is an expressive way to add elements into the list by using the loops. Now you guys probably thinking that previously we also used the loops to add elements to the list. Yes, you guys are right, but in list comprehension we use the loop inside that list. And the major advantage of using the list comprehension is that it saves our time as well as it reduces the lines of our code. So how we are going to do that? Let's see with some practical examples.
Okay, so now here consider an empty list. For example, if we want to add the numbers from 1 to 10 into that list, the basic approach that comes to our mind is that we are going to use the loop like this. For numbers in range 1 to 11, and inside that loop we are going to append every number into that list. So list.append numbers, and now after coming out of the loop I am going to print this list. Now you can see the list in the terminal. Now what if I say that I can do the same process in only a single line? So for that I am going to use the list comprehension. Okay, so for that you have to make a list. So the first thing you have to write is the thing you want to append. In this case I want to append the numbers. So I am writing the numbers, and after that we have to describe that what these numbers are. So these numbers are the range. For numbers in range 1 to 11. Now in the terminal you guys can see that we are getting the same output as previous one, but this time we use the list comprehension. By using the list comprehension we was able to reduce the lines of our code. So now you guys can add the square of every number from 1 to 10 into that list by writing numbers double asterisk 2. So you guys can see in the terminal that we are getting the square of every number from 1 to 10. Okay, so here consider another example. We are having a list called names in which we are containing the 3 names. Now if we want another list in which we are having the first element of every name, so I am making a new list called new names. So first of all I have to write that what I want. I want the 0th element of every name. After that I have to define that where these names are. So for names, for name in names, and after coming out of the list I am going to print this new names list. Now you guys can see in the terminal we are getting the output that we wanted.
I hope the concept of list comprehension is now clear. Till then, Allah Hafiz.